Hello everyone, I will show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed and how to fix this problem. First of all, I searched for a solution and I found out three solutions. The first one is what you need to do is click out of Instagram and head over and open settings, and after that you need to make sure your Wi-Fi connection is strong and your cellular data if you are using cellular data through your phone number. And if you want to make sure you have strong connection, you need to test it. Click out and open any browser and tap on internet speed test on the first one, and tap on the second website fast.com, and from here he's checking and testing our connection to Wi-Fi. And as you see, this is my internet speed. My internet speed is ass, to be honest with you, and you need to make sure you have strong connection. This is the first solution, and the second solution is sometimes Instagram shut down. And if you want to know if Instagram shut down because new updates happen inside the company, and just check it out on Twitter, on X, to see the new news on it. And you need to update Instagram through App Store or Play Store, whatever you have, and after that search for Instagram from here and update it, because as I tell you, the shutdown sometimes because new updates come, and tap on Instagram and update it from here. And the third option, what you need to do is to click on settings and scroll down and tap on general and tap on iPhone storage and scroll down and tap on Instagram from here. Click on it, and from here what you need to do is you need to tap on upload app. You need to clear data and clear cache to reset your Instagram and make it clear and more smooth. Tap on upload app and tap on upload, and after that will show up to you reinstall app. Click on it again and install Instagram again, and click out and open Instagram and login. And after you login, you will find out your Instagram working very well without any problem, as you see. And basically that's it. This is how you do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.